When a client comes to our office exploring the recoveries for a wrongful death case, it is some of the saddest conferences you can have, because you're dealing with folks who have suddenly, abruptly lost somebody in an accident. And at that time that you are seeing them and you are trying to help them, they are trying to make funeral arrangements, they're trying to pay hospital bills, they're trying to make up for lost wages, they're trying to get their life back on track. And so the responsibility of a lawyer is to relieve these folks of some of those responsibilities by investigating the circumstances. In any wrongful death case, the things you are entitled to recover are the medical bills, you're entitled to recover lost wages, you're entitled to recover what are called household services that the husband or spouse or child gave to the household: mowing the yard, painting, repairs. Those all have value, and when you take the person out of your lives who performed those, you are entitled to recover those services if you have to hire that to be done. So those are some of the losses you can recover from on an economic side. Of course, on the non-economic side, there's human losses, and the human losses have to do with the loss of a loved one. Like I always tell folks, we're not an eye for an eye or a tooth for a tooth. You can only get monetary damages as a recovery. Money damages is what we tell our folks that they're entitled to collect. But sometimes, and hopefully more often than not, by getting them sufficient and justifiable money damages, it's able to help them to put their life together, to get them the compensation, to know that they have been heard and that somehow justice has been done. It helps them to put their lives back together so they can go back and function, not as well as they did before, because you can never replace a life, but help them to function and move on.